First up, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452. This machine is a powerhouse with a strong motor that can sew through thick denim effortlessly. It features 32 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, and a sturdy metal frame, making it ideal for heavy-duty projects. Next, we have the Brother ST150HDH. Known for its robust construction and versatility, this machine offers 50 built-in stitches and a strong needle penetration. It includes several presser feet, including one specifically designed for jeans, ensuring professional quality seams every time. Our third pick is the denim HD3000. This reliable workhorse is perfect for tackling tough fabrics. It boasts 18 built-in stitches, a one-step button, and an adjustable presser foot pressure, allowing you to handle thick denim with precision and ease. Fourth on our list is the Juki TL2010Q. This semi-industrial machine is renowned for its high-speed performance and exceptional stitch quality. It features a powerful motor, adjustable foot pressure, and a heavy-duty feed system, making it an excellent choice for serious denim projects. Finally, the Bernina 530 stands out for its precision and durability. This high-end machine offers 148 stitches, an automatic buttonhole feature, and excellent fabric handling capabilities. Its superior stitch quality and robust build make it perfect for both professional and home sewing enthusiasts. Each of these sewing machines brings unique strengths to the table, ensuring you have the power and precision needed to sew jeans with confidence.
This is it for this video. If you want to boost your sewing business with highly effective organic marketing techniques, check out my organic marketing guide for sewers. It contains over 80 tailored strategies made specifically for sewers. And using just a few of these techniques can drastically increase your sales. The guide is only $5 and the link is in the description of this video. Thank you and see you in next one.